If you want to add widgets to the lock screen on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open the settings on our phone. Now over here in settings, we need to scroll down a little bit, and we're gonna go to wallpaper and style. Over here, once you have the lock screen selected, you should be able to swipe up from the bottom, and then in here we're gonna go to more lock screen settings. Once you go to these settings, you can find widgets on lock screen, which we need to enable to be able to use it. Now we can go to the lock screen, and in order to access those widgets, we need to swipe to the left. There we go. Now, if you want to make some changes in here, you can press and hold your finger anywhere in this section. There we go. And you should be able to, for example, resize these widgets as well if you want to make them bigger. At least in some cases, you can make them bigger, just like that, for example. You should also be able to switch them around. There we go. We can make remove them, for example, as well. If you drop it to the upper side, then you can, of course, get rid of them. If you press and hold your finger, then here in the upper left corner, we have the remove option as well. And it seems that we can add up to 3 widgets, at least right now. So we're gonna use add widget here in the upper left corner, and then you can choose whatever you want to add. We can also switch to browse in order to see the full list of different apps that we have in here. So let's say I can also go to Chrome in order to find, let's say, the Chrome Dino. Let's see if we can add it. We can tap on the widget and then use the add button. There we go. And also, let's say we're gonna use something in addition to that. Let's say the translate option, because why not? So let's add that too. And there we go. Now you can tap on it done, and we should be able to use it quite easily. This is how it looks like. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.